Welcome everyone, welcome to Pressure Crisp, and today we're going to be making this fantastic breakfast sandwich. We're going to be making it in the Ninja FOODI grill, but yeah, this is an amazing sandwich. So yeah, come along and let's make this. I had extra bacon in the fridge and I just need to cook it all up. So typically I'd probably use 2 slices, but since we're doing a video and we want it, yeah, we want a very robust sandwich. But you want to make sure the roasting pan is in as well as the air crisp basket. We're going to turn it on. I'm going to choose air crisp. I'm actually going to bring it down to 350. This is a thicker cut bacon. I'm just going to leave it on the 20 minutes because I know how long it's going to take. I'm going to hit start. To skip over the preheat, you're going to hit preheat. It's going to say add food. You're going to open it and close it real fast. Then it will start counting down. Okay, so about 7 minutes has gone by. Sometimes this takes 7 to 9 minutes to cook this bacon, but I am just going to show you what it looks like. There it is right there. And to be honest with you, half the time I don't even flip it because you really don't need to. So just going to let it go. I'll be back in a few minutes to check this. I'd say exactly 10 minutes has gone by. This is done. Might be a bit overdone for me, but I'm going to take it out and just put it on a paper towel lined plate. Now what I like to do is take this out. Once again, this is going to be dripping grease, so just be careful. And I just run it over to the sink. Now, what you can do right now, because this actually made a bit too much grease, because usually I only use 2 pieces of bacon for this sandwich. So you can go ahead and dump some of this grease out. I'm not going to. What you're going to do next is you're going to take those hash browns. I put it right into the bacon grease. You don't have to use the bacon grease, but this is just what I do. And I'm actually going to use tongs because I have a bad habit of just using my finger. And then I take it and I push it up out of the grease. Put it up there. So just go ahead, move it around in the grease. Take it, flip it. Just like that. What you can do right now, because this actually made a bit too much grease, because usually I only use 2 pieces of bacon for this sandwich. So you can go ahead and dump some of this grease out. I'm not going to. What you're going to do next is you're going to take those hash browns. I put it right into the bacon grease. You don't have to use the bacon grease, but this is just what I do. And I'm actually going to use tongs because I have a bad habit of just using my finger. And then I take it and I push it up out of the grease. Put it up there. So just go ahead, move it around in the grease. Take it, flip it. Just like that. And just put them up just like this. We're going to up the temp. I'm going to go down there and show you. You can keep it on 350, but what I do sometimes, I'm going to up it to 375. And this should be done hopefully probably like in 8 or 9 minutes. But we are going to flip these like in 4 or 5 minutes. So about 4 minutes has gone by. We're just going to take a look at them. And you're going to take a spatula or those tongs and you're just going to flip it over if you can. Maybe we should have just used, I just put a dent in that one. Bummer. And you're just going to flip it over. Alright, so about 9.5 minutes have gone by. These lovely hash browns are done. Once again, just put them on a paper towel lined plate. Just put them off to the side. Just going to crack an egg. I hope I don't break the yolk like I did yesterday. I just got these at farm stand. Yes! We were successful. I just like a little bit of black pepper on mine. You can put whatever you want on your eggs. Go ahead and close the lid. You can keep it on 375, but I always up it to 400, and I'm going to add, it'll cook like in between 1 to 2 minutes, this egg will be done. Depending, once again, on how you like your eggs. But I like mine with little yolk. And yeah, this is going to be great, people. What we're going to do is we're going to start plating. Now a little pepper there. I'll wipe that off. You're going to take a hash brown. Just put it right on the bottom. And I take a couple pieces of bacon. Put it right there. Now we're just waiting for the egg, and we're going to put the egg on top of that. Oh, this is going to be so good. Let's take a look-see at the egg, because a minute has gone by. Since we want yolk, I'm going to take this, crushed fingers. Let's see if we're going to be successful this time. Maybe not. Come on. Slippery little guy. All right, so now we're going to cook it probably for like a half a minute. So this egg cooked in like a minute and a half. What I'm going to do, this is probably done. And I'm going to take it and flip it, maybe flip it back over. I'm having flipping issues. There we go. And it didn't come out, it stuck a bit. I didn't plan on that to happen, but it's fine. And I'm going to take that piece of cheese, just put it on top, close the lid, and stop it. The heat will help melt that cheese. Now it's time to construct this. Cheese is nicely melted. You take that and put that right on top. Just be careful, it's going to be hot. Oh, look at that melted cheese, awesome. Then what you can do, you can take more bacon. You can use sausage, just use whatever you want. I'm just using bacon because that's what I have in the house. And yeah, this is like 3 pieces. You can go ahead and add the 4th piece if you want. I'm just going to do it just for looks. But 4 pieces of bacon is a bit much. Then you're just going to give it a little hat. Now tell me. That is fantastic. I'm trying to squish it down just a bit. Yeah, look at that. The sandwich. Perfect, perfect, beautiful, fantastic. Ta-da! No, look at this. Fantastic. It has cooled for a few minutes because it would be super hot, like the yolk. But with the hash brown, see how you can just pick it up like a sandwich? Amazing. A bit too much bacon on this, but... Excuse me. Yeah. So easy, so delicious, delicious, and it can be made in 20 minutes in your Ninja Foodie grill. So yeah. Make this. I don't even have a name for it, but it's just a different type of breakfast sandwich. Everybody comment down below. Tell me what you think this new breakfast sandwich should be called. So thanks everybody for watching. Subscribe, please like this video, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos in the Ninja Foodie appliances.